Autumn is here, and while many of us think planting season is over, this is actually the perfect time to get your herbs in the ground. Whether you have a large garden, a small backyard, or just a balcony, herbs are some of the easiest, most rewarding plants to grow. They smell amazing, taste delicious, and even brighten up your outdoor space. Today, we're going to explore 9 herbs that are perfect for planting in the autumn, share tips for looking after them over winter, and give you ideas for using them in the kitchen. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident about growing your own herbs, even if you're a complete beginner. Why plant herbs in autumn? Well, many hardy herbs benefit from cooler weather. Autumn planting gives them time to establish strong roots before the harsher winter months arrive. Once spring comes, they'll be ready to burst into growth. Plus, autumn soil is still warm from summer, which helps seeds germinate and cuttings root. Planting now means you're giving yourself a head start for a kitchen garden that's full of flavor all year long. Even a small window box or patio pot can give you fresh herbs at your fingertips, so don't be intimidated by limited space. For our viewers in North America, the same principles apply, but with a few differences depending on your USDA hardiness zone. In Zone 7 to 9, many of these herbs can be planted outdoors directly in the autumn. In colder regions, it's often best to start herbs in containers or in a cold frame to protect them from freezing temperatures. Herbs like rosemary, sage, and thyme are generally hardy, but they may need some extra winter protection such as mulch or a sheltered spot. Mint, oregano, and parsley can also thrive in pots indoors or in a sunny window if your winter is particularly harsh. Even in North America, autumn planting gives your herbs a head start for spring growth, and many perennial herbs will survive the winter and come back stronger year after year. Let's start with rosemary. This evergreen shrub is wonderfully hardy and can even survive mild frosts. It loves a sunny, sheltered spot and well-draining soil. In the UK, planting directly into garden beds usually works well, but in North America, gardeners in colder zones should consider growing rosemary in a large pot that can be moved indoors or into a protected area during the coldest months. Rosemary doesn't need a lot of fuss, but occasional pruning helps it stay bushy and strong. In the kitchen, it's perfect for roasts, breads, and infused oils. Did you know rosemary has long been associated with remembrance and memory in folklore? Planting it near your home was thought to bring good fortune. And those tiny blue flowers are not just pretty, they're magnets for bees and pollinators, which help your garden thrive. Next up is thyme. This low-growing herb is tough, drought-tolerant, and perfect for sunny borders or pots. In the UK, small cuttings or divisions can be planted directly into the soil. North American gardeners in colder climates may want to plant thyme in pots or raised beds and mulch lightly to help protect it over winter. Thyme will slowly establish over winter and reward you with fragrant, tiny leaves in spring and summer. In folklore, thyme was often carried by knights into battle as a symbol of courage, and it's been used medicinally for centuries for its calming properties. Culinary-wise, it's incredibly versatile, great in soups, stews, roasted vegetables, and even herb blends for grilling. Its delicate flowers are also a treat for bees and other beneficial insects. Sage is another autumn favorite. Hardy, aromatic, and beautiful with its soft grey-green leaves, sage loves sun and a sheltered spot. Plant young plants or cuttings now, and make sure the soil drains well. In colder North American zones, sage can benefit from a thick layer of mulch or being planted in a protected spot. Sage is slow-growing at first but will become a reliable perennial herb. Folklore often links sage to wisdom, protection, and longevity. In the kitchen, it's wonderful in stuffing, pasta dishes, and even as a soothing tea during the colder months. Then we have chives, a fast-growing perennial that's perfect for beginners. Plant bulbs or seeds in the autumn, and they'll form clumps ready to harvest in spring. Chives produce charming purple flowers, which attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. In North America, chives are hardy in most zones, but if you live in a particularly cold area, planting them in containers that can be moved indoors will help them survive the winter. Chives add a mild onion flavor to dishes, making them perfect for salads, soups, and baked potatoes. Folklore suggests chives bring happiness and good fortune when planted around the home. Parsley is a kitchen staple and can be grown as flat leaf or curly varieties. It's a biennial, but many gardeners grow it as an annual. Sow seeds in pots or directly into the soil. Keep the soil moist and add a little compost to help it establish. In colder North American zones, parsley may need to be grown in pots and brought indoors, or protected with a thick mulch layer. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's packed with vitamins and is perfect in soups, sauces, salads, and more. Interestingly, parsley has long been associated with celebration and purification in folklore, and it's great for attracting beneficial insects to your garden. Mint is one of the most vigorous herbs you can grow, so it's best planted in a container to prevent it from taking over your garden. Mint is frost hardy and can survive cold winters if planted in a sheltered spot. In North America, gardeners in cold zones can keep mint in pots indoors or in a cold greenhouse. Mint is wonderful in teas, desserts, sauces, and refreshing summer drinks. Folklore often links mint to hospitality, and planting it near your home was thought to welcome guests. Bees love its small flowers, making it an excellent pollinator-friendly plant. Oregano is a sun-loving, aromatic herb that's ideal for Mediterranean dishes. Plant cuttings or divisions in well-draining soil and give it a sunny spot. North American gardeners in colder zones should plant oregano in pots or raised beds and protect it with mulch. Oregano is hardy and can handle the chill of autumn, establishing roots for a spring harvest. Its leaves are packed with flavor and antioxidants, perfect for sauces, roasted vegetables, and pizza. In folklore, oregano was believed to bring joy and happiness, and its flowers are a small but important food source for pollinators. Bay, or bay laurel, is a slow-growing but long-lived herb. You can grow it in a pot or in a sheltered garden spot. Bay leaves can be harvested throughout the year and are essential for soups, stews, and slow-cooked dishes. North American gardeners in colder zones should grow bay in a container so it can be brought indoors during freezing weather. Mulching around the base helps protect the roots during winter, even if it's planted in the garden. Bay has a long history of symbolism, representing victory and wisdom, and its glossy leaves are sometimes used in decorative wreaths. Finally, let's talk about coriander. Coriander grows fast and is surprisingly frost-tolerant. Sow seeds directly into the soil in a sunny spot or in a pot. The leaves are perfect for salads, salsas, and curries, and the seeds can be harvested for use as a spice. Folklore links coriander to health and prosperity, and it's a favorite for attracting beneficial insects with its small flowers. Autumn planting gives you a head start so that by early spring, you'll have young, fresh leaves ready to pick. Now that we've covered the herbs, here are some simple autumn planting tips. Make sure your soil is well draining and add a little compost or organic matter. Plant in pots or garden beds, depending on your space. Water them in well. Protect tender plants from frost with mulch, cloches, or by moving pots under cover. Even a small amount of care now will pay off with a thriving herb garden in spring. Herbs are incredibly rewarding for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. They're low maintenance, beautiful, and practical. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the process. There's nothing quite like picking fresh rosemary, thyme, or parsley straight from your garden. So this autumn, don't pack away your gardening tools just yet. Plant your herbs now and enjoy the delicious rewards in the months to come.
1, 2, 3. Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be that goes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free-born mind. I remember when you told me I should settle down, but these restless feet won't keep me grounded. The open road's the only place I found where I feel alive, and the stars will guide me. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be that goes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free-born mind. A free-born mind. Free-born mind. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be that goes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free